Welcome to our step-by-step guide on setting up your Google Home Mini. In just a few simple steps, you'll have your Google Home Mini up and running, ready to help with tasks like playing music, setting reminders, controlling smart devices, and more. Step 1. Unbox your Google Home Mini. Start by carefully unboxing your Google Home Mini. Inside the box, you'll find the Google Home Mini device, a power adapter, a quick start guide. Step 2. Plug in your Google Home Mini. Plug the power adapter into the Google Home Mini. Then, plug the other end of the adapter into a power outlet. Wait a few seconds until you hear a sound and see the LED light ring on your Google Home Mini light up. Step 3. Download the Google Home app. Make sure you have the Google Home app installed on your smartphone or tablet. For Android, go to the Google Play Store and search for Google Home. For iOS, go to the App Store and search for Google Home. Download and install the app. Step 4. Connect your Google Home Mini to Wi-Fi. Open the Google Home app on your smartphone. Sign in with your Google account if prompted. The app should automatically detect your Google Home Mini. If it doesn't, tap the plus icon at the top left corner of the app and select Set Up Device. Choose New Device and follow the on-screen instructions. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter your Wi-Fi password. Your Google Home Mini will now connect to the Wi-Fi network. Step 5. Personalize your Google Home Mini. Optional. Once your device is connected to Wi-Fi, you'll have the option to personalize your Google Home Mini. Set up your preferred language. Add voice recognition. Optional for a personalized experience. Link your music services, Spotify, YouTube, Music, etc. for easy playback. Set up smart home devices like lights, thermostats, etc. if you have any connected to your home network. Step 6. Test it out. Once setup is complete, it's time to test your Google Home Mini. Try saying, "Hey Google, what's the weather today?" Or, "Hey Google, play some music." Your Google Home Mini should respond immediately, showing you it's ready to assist. Step 7. Enjoy your new smart assistant. You're all set. Your Google Home Mini is now fully functional. Use voice commands for a variety of tasks, such as asking questions, controlling smart devices, managing your calendar, and more. Troubleshooting tips. If your Google Home Mini is not connecting to Wi-Fi, double-check your Wi-Fi password and make sure you're on a 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz network that's compatible. Ensure the Google Home app is up to date. If the LED ring doesn't light up, try plugging it into a different outlet or restarting the device. Conclusion: setting up your Google Home Mini is quick and easy. With this guide, you'll be able to start enjoying the convenience of voice-controlled tasks in no time. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.